In this video, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in Instagram story using the new Instagram mention feature. This is a great way to tag your friends and followers in your stories, and also it's a great way to get more engagement on your stories. First thing to do is to make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. The new mention feature is only available on the latest version of the Instagram app, so make sure you have it updated before you start. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it and create a new Instagram story. After you posted your story, open your story. In the bottom right corner of your story, tap on More button, then tap on Add Mentions. Select or search the username of the person you want to mention. Tap on the profile you want to mention. That's it. You've successfully mentioned someone in your Instagram story. You can now open your story again and go to mentions. You will see that people you mentioned will be grayed out because you already mentioned them. I hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.